Okay, this is Scrappa 2, the modular shoe, the sustainably manufactured shoe with multifunctionalities and a longer product lifespan.
The idea of a modular shoe stemmed from sustainability and how the current life cycle of a shoe is not sustainable. Raw materials like latex and petroleum are processed into rubber and synthetic fabrics. Shoe components are cut, sewn, and glued together in a factory, then packaged and shipped to the final customer. The average consumer can wear down a new pair of shoes in about a year. That pair can be sold for reuse at consignment stores or recycled if possible, but eventually all shoes are disposed of in landfills where they can take upwards of 30 to 40 years to decompose. The life cycle of footwear is currently linear. By adding a circular component to this life cycle, only a portion of a shoe would be thrown away and the rest would be recycled into a new pair. The previous team created a modular shoe featuring a sliding mechanism made of soft rubber and hard plastic. This design was difficult to put on and uncomfortable to walk in. Our goal is to design recyclable footwear that is comfortable to wear and easy to put on and take off.
To maximize sustainability, we need a shoe which does not utilize harmful materials, is easily recyclable, and minimizes energy to manufacture. The mechanical challenge then becomes to replicate adhesive with a modular mechanism. With a compression-based design, the sole is made out of a moderately stiff material, which presses the upper laterally into grooves on the side walls of the lower, thereby compressing the sole. The fabric of the upper is sandwiched in the middle, producing a strong, continuous seam along the shoe. Laces can be added to improve the fit. The three-piece idea utilizes tension in the laces to hold the shoe together. In this case, a third piece fits into grooves in the tread to provide an anchoring point for the laces. Combining the lower into one piece produces this idea. This trades increased manufacturing complexity for a simpler user experience. Our prototype is a streamlined version of the two-piece strap design. This design offers the desired functionality with CAD modeling and 3D printing ease.
To begin prototyping, we first decomposed Scrappa 1's upper, created a pattern, and then sewed the upper from that pattern. We moved on by prototyping the outsole first by modeling with clay, and then modeling in 3D software, and finally 3D printing it out of flexible TPU. You can see that this initial stage prototype could be worn on the foot. And we also created a plastic insole which would be inserted into the upper and help keep the sole in place. This is the most complete prototype, which includes the straps that would hold everything together.
We would like to give a special thanks to Brianna Gould, Steve Pello, Mike Dean, and Mike Bufflin for all their help.